Keep it in gear.
It did.
He might have got off.
No way.
No, he's on.
I'm keeping that long one out there.
Yeah.
That's fine. We went right over the hump. We're at 130 feet.
Manny, go to the front.
We doing good?
Yeah. We're gonna. This ain't a fucking international.
Hey, Trace.
Slow down.
Yeah.
What do you mean? It's your turn.
It's him.
I can't.
It's him.
We all fucking fought.
It's him.
We'll all fight.
It's him. He's got. Don't shoot too much.
No. It's still in strike. That was one hell of a run, dude. Somebody take this GoPro.
I got mine on.
It's on. Man, he fell.
Where's the other GoPro?
Already. I got it right here.
Oh, there's another one. Hey! Here.
That's a Wahoo for sure.
Did you see the run?
Dude, did you see the fucking water ripping out of it?
Alright. You doing good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta take this fish slow.
Oh, it's doing good. It's pulling drag. We're gaining. It's pulling drag.
This one. I'm worried about the other one. Hey, Manny, put this up right up there.
It should be good.
Right here.
Oh yeah. It might go to the bottom.
That's what I'm saying. Because we're not keeping gear now. Fucking it's
17 miles.
It's too big. What do I should do? Should I just keep reeling in?
Take that drag, baby! Woo! On the John boat. On the John.
Long ways to go, boys.
Yeah.
Pointing it that way.
You want to go that way?
Uh,
Or the line?
Where's your fish going?
straight down. And out. And that's the line.
Dude, that reel was screaming.
Did you see the water ripping off of the reel?
Yeah.
Dude, I was about to fall asleep. I was like right there. And that thing just like screamed at me. I was like, fuck!
Yeah, that's right in your ear.
Crazy, I almost fucked it up.
What do you? Oh, slowing down.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to keep that thing going.
Oh, we're still a shock.
Oh, shit. Alright, alright. We're in together.
You know what's angled?
It looks like it. Just keep it out. Keep it out.
No, here.
I can't stop.
I know you. I'm not saying you.
Short seven.
We have no idea what
Get it right.
No, I got it.
Job.
Fuck yeah, William!
Job, Will.
He's close.
Start turning fighting it. You're fighting it like this. Now,
I have to walk it back for you to gap it.
What you gotta say?
Hold on.
Oh, we're going. Is he taking?
Let's watch that calf.
It's a good fish.
Yeah, it's staying deep. It's almost there. Come on, you got this.
Come on, baby! Is he whooping your ass or what?
Yeah.
He's whooping your ass.
He's fucking whooping my ass.
We're just spinning in circles.
Come on.
Heavy fish, dude.
Come on, you got him right here. Keep cranking.
Pump and crank.
Keep, no pumping.
No.
Keep cranking. Hold it. Hold it. I'll help you.
It's not taking like.
Yeah, it's really.
I saw a flash.
I'm getting there.
Let me slow down.
Because it's in strike right now.
Slow down a little bit.
Slow down.
Oh, flash the engine.
Turn.
We're good, we're good, we're good.
You still in strike?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Give it a little bit more juice.
Yeah.
Tag team. Team, I got color.
It's big.
Ooh, I see it.
How's your nuts?
Color.
I see him.
He's coming up.
Slow down a tad. Not that much.
I know how this motor is.
I know.
You reel.
Oh, dude, that will feel so good for me. My fucking chops are hurting.
You can hold it on like right there, Danny. Like
Well-
on the other side of that rod. You can hold it lower. And get them reeling.
Yeah. Come on! This ain't no fucking
Come on!
light fish, bitch. Ah!
Where is it? Where is it?
He's still back there.
You still see color?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Dude, he's a big fish.
he's a big
Come on.
one.
There you go. There you go.
It's a big fish.
There you go. Come on. Almost there.
Hold on.
Whoa.
Yeah, I almost touched the bottom of the boat. It might take a run right here. Yep, it's taking a run. All right, reel.
Come on, here he is. Here he is.
We're almost there. Home stretch.
Come on.
Oh, Jesus.
Crank. Manny,
Yeah.
you got this rock?
Hold on.
It's following the fucking boat.
Yeah.
All right, aim
Minding
this
the
way.
boat.
Aim.
You're gonna get to the back of the boat.
Yeah.
You're good. Get the stick.
Get on this side. Get on this side.
Give me the gap. Whoa. Off the knife edge. Here, I got it. All right, there you go. Fucking crank. That's a good fish, dude. Nice wahoo. Really nice wahoo. Watch out, man.
Come on now.
Right, he's on the surface. Easy, easy, easy.
Woo!
Easy, easy. Oh my god. Alright. Read me. Walk back.
Walk back, walk back.
As low as I can get.
Let's go! Let's go!
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. We got him, we got him.
Do not bring him in the boat yet.
Let's go!
Alright, beat him. I got him.
Where's my water bottle?
He wasn't going anywhere. Hey, man, grab the other GoPro too, the little one.
That's my water bottle.
He can bring him in.
Alright, hold on. No, unhook him first. Unhook him first. Actually, I'm gonna. Alright.
Wheels over.
Alright, can I let go of these GoPros?
Move, move, move. He's gonna lose his shit.
That's a big fucking wahoo.
Let's go!
That's a big wahoo, dude. That is a big wahoo.
Hey, you can see.
Woo! You better jump in.
Go get your
You
water
better
bottle.
jump in and go get that
get your
fucking
water
water bottle. Holy shit.
Oh, 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 oh.
No, wait, let it Did you get that? Did you get that?
We're good, we're good. Doubled up, baby! Doubled up!
No shit!
Doubled up!
Oh fucking shit!
Slow down, just a hair. Just a hair. I can't stop this fish.
Bro! Holy shit!
Well, sit. Tell me if to go left or right or...
I don't know what to do. They're gonna cross.
Holy fuck.
I had to tighten mine a little bit. I gotta tighten mine up.
Here, go ahead. Make sure. You gotta turn their head.
Y'all just tell me what you need.
Oh my gosh. I don't
This
know
is a
which
big
one-
fish.
I don't know which one's further out.
This is a big fish.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No, don't say anything. Just kill him.
Y'all take your time.
I can't.
Take your time.
Oh, this is a big fish.
You just heard me talking shit. Manny, please. Oh, yeah.
Now, Manny. You just keep looking pretty, right?
I just did this.
Oh, oh.
Oh my god. If it wants to run, let it run.
I know, I had to back it off.
It's a great day to be alive.
Dude, it was country. That's what it was.
Alright, I'm gonna...
I can't even move this fish.
You want me to keep going with the swell?
You're good. Keep doing exactly what you're
I
doing.
just don't want to go in shallow. So I'm gonna make small turns out. Y'all keep doing it. Y'all doing great. Y'all doing a great job.
Didn't even get a break. I think it's the leader right there.
You're going through it. Go easy.
Ooh, I gotta come.
Now, Manny, you know how to gap a fish?
I'll learn right now.
I can do it.
You might have to put that one on pause. You might have to put that one on pause because I'm getting close.
I have
You're
Unless
nowhere
mine's
close.
super deep.
I have leader right here.
Oh,
You're nowhere
okay.
close. You still
Then
got
you're
leader, a
closer.
lot of leader.
Yeah, I got hit short because I was reeling in already. I think mine's small.
Where did I go?
Manny, flip that and then just get ready to stand by, all right?
Grab the gap out. Right there. Oh, maybe I wasn't.
No, you're close. Leader too. Oh, yeah. You got a long ways to go, bro.
Yours going crazy. Oh, real hero, he's coming at you. He just turned at you. Keep reeling, keep reeling. He's just turning at you.
You need to turn that way.
No.
Turn that way. And go with the swell.
We have to land the fish that way.
I'm sitting on a hook.
I don't care.
Yeah, you can. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. Alright, I'm getting close. I'm gonna need you to pick up your rod.
You got a ways again to go. That's what I thought too. Yeah, if there's a lot of mono on there. Yeah. You can take it slow on yours, but still keep the tension.
Makes a run right here. Snap the rod.
Let's flip that. These rods are designed to be fucking.
All right.
I gotta switch over there here soon.
All right, I'm unclipping then.
Still got a ways out.
I know, but he needs to get his out.
Not yet, I'll tell you when.
Okay.
Oh.
Put it back in.
Actually, trade me sides,
Get in. Get in there.
Take it easy.
Yep, I'm going slow.
You didn't like that.
You need me to turn? Which way you need me to turn?
You're good. Just if you're gonna turn slightly that way.
That way.
Yep.
Hey, we're gonna have to go mine and slow.
Why?
Slow down so I can get mine out. Gapped. And then we can work on yours after.
All right, I'm just leaving mine.
No, keep working it.
Yeah.
Just nice and slow.
You're still way the fuck out there. But
Yeah, I don't even have leader.
Keep on them tight.
How you doing?
Good. Just working it slow. I should be able to see color here soon. We're going in after this.
Yeah.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are, baby.
All right, turn. Keep that turn going. There you go. Try to keep this.
Well, I can't do too much for bait, you know?
I got leader.
Still got a lot of leader. Go easy,
Yeah.
but keep tension. gotta land his fish first.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, he didn't like that.
That's fine, let him run.
He did not like
A
that.
couple swells coming in.
How close are you?
He should be real
He's
close.
close. He's close. Still got a ways to go, dude, trust me.
Can you see color?
Nope.
No. There ain't gonna open it now.
Just keep turning, just like this.
Yep. I can't believe this is happening. I do not.
That's good. That's good.
Got color?
Not yet, not yet.
Man, you know where to gaff him? And
Right
do
in
not
the
let
head.
go of that gaff, alright?
Where,
In
Right
the
in the
head.
head.
Face.
And when you stick them hard. Like this. Yeet! And you pull towards you.
And hold it.
And
Don't
hold
let
it.
go.
Don't.
He'll pull you in the water.
He'll pull you in the water if you ain't holding.
I see color. Yeah. Oh, good fish.
Right.
Oh my god, good fish. Holy shit.
Just pulled
He
right there?
just pulled.
Just pulled right there.
Just pulled. Alright.
Alright.
We gotta land.
Work on that one.
That was a nice fish.
Dude, that was big. That was a big fish.
Bigger than that one?
Yeah, bigger than that one.
Want this thing?
Yeah, okay.
I like that pink.
Fuck, dude. Sorry, fellas.
No, hey, you lead. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, my bad. Alright, sit in the middle. There's not much nothing I could have done differently.
Nah, he just shook hook.
Yeah.
I backed my
I
drag
literally
off.
saw the shake.
Yeah.
Came right off.
I kept tension and everything.
Turn the other way, turn the other way.
You want to sit over here there now, Peyton?
We're good for now.
We go straight.
Yep.
Fuck. That was so much work.
We saw it.
Yeah, dude.
And you pretty much leadered it.
Yeah.
Good fight. Let's focus on this one.
Yeah, we got this one.
What you need?
You're doing good.
I can't believe he hit that on the retrieve.
Yeah.
Wow.
I was cranking.
And Peyton got all of that on video.
I was cranking it in.
It's almost as if God spoke to Peyton. He said, turn your GoPro on. Do it now. You see color?
No.
Alright, sit to this side.
Does not like that.
Can you put that right up front? Yeah, just lay it down. There you go. And the hook. I don't want him to step back. Yeah.
I got color.
Alright. Hold on, easy. That's a big fish. Oh, he's fighting. Bring it close. Step back. Oh god.
Slow it down just a hair.
This is a big fish. Alright. Hold it.
Got it?
Just hold him.
Woo! Let's go!
Good gaff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
I'm in free.
Put it in the cooler.
Open the cooler up.
Open the bail.
It's open.
No, you could just lay him across here. Wait, where's
Hold
the,
on.
where, no.
Hold on.
Oh. He's not dead. He's so green. He wasn't ready.
Let it chill. That's complete.
One more.
Fuck this
Come on.
ball.
All right, we're good. All right.
Yeah!
Payne, pull this one in. You get this. Hold on. Let me
Watch
pull
your
slack.
toesies now.
Let me pull slack. And then trap. All right.
All right.
Clear.
You got it?
Yep.
Send them. Now watch your toes.
He's in.
Damn
I'm
it,
shaking.
man. It should have been a third one on here.
This is 2 years in the making right here. 2 years in the making.
I'm literally shaking.
Dude.
I can't believe this right now.
Go in.
You made on his.
And we lost one.
We go in?
Yeah.
Hold on.
We're going in.
Hold on.
It's 5:03.
We gotta boot, scoot, and boogie.
We gotta go. You're shaking, dog.
Dude, he swallowed that.
Yeah. Just unclip it right here. We'll take care of it later. Forward a little bit. There you go. All right, watch your camera out a little bit.
I have no words. No words. No words.
You're wearing your lucky hat.
It's a lucky hat.
Lucky hat.
Lucky hat.
No words, ladies and gentlemen, no words.
Except for
Wahoo!
the stomach liner is so thick.
That's a wahoo belly right there, boys.
Empty, bro. Empty. Completely empty.
I don't even want a deep one. I don't even want